Hey guys, so this is going to be a video that's going to explain to you how to do the university assignment. Now, we're taking a little break from the regular notes of regular history, and I went over the notes of the university notes dealing with all the ins and outs of going to college or going to university. So let's go open up the notes. So here are the notes, the university notes that we will be going through all throughout in class. Basically, a ton of information dealing with what does it mean to go to college, how do you get there, how do you apply, all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna go to the schoolwork week, and we're gonna go to Tuesday, Wednesday, which is right here. And when we go to the assignment, you're gonna see right here. Oh, that's the wrong one. I'm sorry. This is a schoolwork week. All right. So when we get to the assignment, you're gonna see Tuesday, Wednesday, and there is the homework, the university notes assignment. So you're gonna open up the assignment itself, and then you're gonna make a copy of it, just like how you normally would, and you're gonna label it. First name, last name, period, and then university notes assignment. Now let's go through exactly what it is, right? So here's the university assignment. So you are going to put what would be your dream profession, and then you're going to just put that answer in here. So you could highlight or delete some of the spacing, and then just put what would be your dream profession. If you could right now, fast forward 6, 7 years from now, and you're already in your dream profession, what would it be? Is there something that gets your attention? Again, getting a profession, part of it is going to be that you enjoy what you're doing. You're going to try to look for something, but money should also play a role in it because you want to be able to live comfortably. So you're thinking about something that could do both, maybe. In order to achieve this profession, you will need to be responsible, use a lot of effort, and be efficient. Efficient just basically means be as productive as possible without wasting a lot of effort. So I want you to rate yourself and just be honest here because there's no point in you lying here. Be honest and rate yourself right now. Um, Highlight each one of the responses. So basically, how responsible are you? One, two, three, or five. Five being the highest. How much effort do you put in? Five being the highest. And how efficient are you? So how smart do you work? How productive are you when you work? So in order to highlight it, say you think you're a three in responsibility, you highlight it, and then you go here and you just change it to yellow. And see, that shows me that it's highlighted. If you want to put a different color for each one or all the same color, it is completely up to you. So you just highlight it and then you go to the paintbrush and then you add whatever color. But it doesn't have to be these colors. It just has to be highlighted so you can clearly show me. I think I'm a three, I think I'm a four, I think I'm a five. All right. So again, be honest because there's no point in you lying here where you're supposed to be doing it by yourself. All right. Now, mission statements. So each of the following answers should be minimum 3 sentences. That means 3 sentences, three, three, and three. In terms of achieving your goal, in 1.5 years from now, which would be August of 2022, so this would be the August after your graduation, I will be, and then you need to tell me here in 3 sentences, well, where are you going to be in August of 2022? So in terms of achieving your goal, you write 3 sentences there. In terms of achieving my goal, in 7 years in August of 2027, I will be, and then you put here. So if you think you've already reached it, then you write what you're doing at that point. And you give some information on what you think you'll be doing. If you think you're still, let's say that your plan is 8 years to get your degree and you're in year 7 and 8, then right here, I'm in year 7 and 8, and you write down that why you are at that point, and you write down that maybe that you got one more year to go, you're looking forward to whatever it is here. Why do you want this profession and what are you willing to start doing today to get it? So I want this profession because, and today I could do this one thing that will put me on that path to get there. How are the ratings that I gave myself, so the what ratings you gave yourself about responsibility, effort, efficiency, hurting or helping my path to achieving my goal? So look at what you wrote. And again, it only works if you're honest. And then look at your grades and you're like, okay, so this is how I grade myself. This is where I want to do, and then compare them. So am I on the right track? Am I on very far away from where I need to be or somewhere in the middle? And then write your answer here. Again, three in each sentences, 3 sentences for each one of these. Lastly, on the next page, just scroll down, write a 10 to 12 sentence summary of the main ideas that you discuss from the university notes. So that's right. Basically, you're going to take this information and you're going to write me one long paragraph, 8 to 10 sentences. So you're going to summarize it, giving me the main ideas that we're going to go over in class. So that means the better you understand it, the better you understand the notes because you prepared in class, the easier this will be to write. All right. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise,